Hey guys, welcome back to a long overdue vanity makeover. If you want to see more, stay tuned. Guys, I really need y'all to pray for me, okay? Because I really need it. Do y'all see this? Do you see this? Like, I don't know how I'm gonna get through this. I ain't gonna lie, I was a little bit tempted to clean up a bit before I started recording, but I decided to leave it as is for dramatic effect. So let's get into it. So in this drawer, I mostly had like my combs, clips, hair ties, essential oils, etc. And here I have some fake nails, some eyelashes, some nail clips, and whatever else you can see in here. And in this drawer, I have my little Sephora box with all things Sephora. These are more so like sample size products though. Then I got some beauty blenders right there hanging off to the side. And in this drawer right here, I have my nail kit, which is pretty much everything I would need to get my nails done. One of my first videos on YouTube was actually me unboxing this nail machine. And last but not least, this is my hair products drawer with all things hair and some hair ties, of course. On the floor right there, I have my flat iron. Oh, my bad, we're not done yet. And in here we have my makeup palettes, mascaras, lip gloss. I don't know what else is in here, to be honest. And in this section right here is mostly where I keep like my everyday products, like my moisturizers, my nighttime cream, and I have some makeup stuff in here too. And I also have some backup makeup brushes. The dust is killing me. Excuse me. Now for the makeover of it all, the products you'll need, I'll leave them in my description. Actually, remember to check my Amazon storefront, guys. That's where I started listing the products that I use in my videos. So remember to check my Amazon storefront for these products, okay? As for this contact paper, I will be using this on the top of my vanity, but however, I don't really like it because it's a bit hard to clean, so I may be replacing it soon. This right here is some acrylic drawer organizers. They came in a pack of 25 and 4 different sizes. Hopefully this will be enough. Up next, I have another acrylic drawer organizer, and I'll be using this to store all my sunglasses. And this can also be placed on countertops, desktops, and store other things like jewelry, makeup, etc. Glasses and stuff. I'm gonna use this to like store my glasses or stuff like that, or jewelry, I guess. And then in this, we got this tray is so beautiful. I love it so much. I'm thinking I might put a little flower, a diffuser, and some facial oils on here for display, or just stuff that I want to be in easy reach. Okay, so now that I've cleared everything off of here, I'm just gonna give this a good wipe down. So, true story, I made the mistake of using organic furniture cleaner on here one time. I only did it once, and it stripped the top of my vanity like immediately. I was so mad. So here I am going back to my trusted rubbing alcohol and a cotton pad to clean this down. It has never failed me. You can also use white vinegar mixed with water. That works very well as well too, provided you don't mind the scent of vinegar. But I usually like how fresh and sanitized my vanity feels after giving it a good wipe down with some alcohol. Plus it does a pretty good job at removing makeup stains from my vanity. Now I'm finished with wiping down the vanity. I'm just gonna reorganize some of the items that are in the top portion. These are some makeups that I don't really use anymore. I forgot the reason why I stopped using them, but I know the Makeup Forever one was a really good one. I may have to try these out again to remember why I stopped using them, but ever since I found the Clinique makeup, I was hooked, and I actually stopped using the other makeups that I had. I must say Instagram made me buy this, the famous reed diffuser from H Hotel. Oh, I forgot I was gonna add my serums on here as display as well. Look at my little babies, they're so cute. I feel like I want to do a more updated skincare routine for you guys because I've actually added some new products to my routine. Because while I was on vacation in Jamaica, my skin broke out so much, so I'm currently trying to get it back in order. Oh, and FYI, look out for my Jamaica vlog coming up next. In this little basket down here, I have my hairband, hair ties, and wig caps because I tend to forget about them when they're tucked away in a drawer somewhere. Now for the hard part. Just kidding. Now I'm just reorganizing the contents of the first drawer. I did most of the legwork off camera, not really on purpose, but I didn't realize that I had stopped recording. So I had to re-record all of this for you guys. And when I say it was a lot of work, it was a lot of work. It literally took me about a day and a half to finish decluttering and reorganizing the contents of this cabinet. I really didn't realize I had so much stuff in here. So you can just imagine how disappointed I was when I realized that none of it got recorded. The things you have to go through sometimes as a content creator, it's not even funny. For storage purposes, I end up cutting these lashes into little strips so they could fit into the organizers. All of these are actually press-on nails. And these right here are some sample products that I got from Sephora. Pretty much everything right here are sample products. And then I have some contact lens right there in the corner. And last but not least, this is my hair care section. Now it's time for the before and after. This is before. All dusty and disorganized, things everywhere. And after. Okay, let's get into the organization of it all. Here I have an all-in-one makeup palette set, my foundation, lip glosses, lip pencils, and makeup brushes. I realized I didn't show you guys how I repaired the surface of my vanity. But don't worry, I got you covered. I'll just tag my office makeover video right here for you, so you can just go ahead and watch that for more information. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember, my Jamaican vlog is coming up next. Until next time, bye!